Well, hello. So, to a lot of you who don't know what I'm going to be doing, this summer, I'm going to be riding my bike a really, really long distance. I'm going to be riding about 780 so odd miles. So it's going to be a really fun, really long trip. And I've talked to my family, I've talked to my coworkers about this. I still need time to find exactly what it is. I need to put my finances together for it. And I just got back, just went to the bike shop today to see how much it's going to be, and well, it's going to be rather expensive. But just to get my bike, it's going to be over $200 just to get my bike in tip-top shape, make sure it's in perfect order. So this trip's going to be really fucking expensive, but it's going to be really nice. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be fun. It's going to be one of those once-in-a-lifetime experiences, because I guarantee you there's no way I'm going to do this again. No way. And I want to do this once to say I've done it, but I don't think I have it in me to do it again. So yeah, it's going to be a fun trip. 795. I don't know if I'm going to come all the way back, or is if I'm going to come all the way back, but I'm certainly going to try to make it there on my own. If not, I might make it part of the way back, take a hand the way, the rest of the way, but I'll see. I hope I can make it all the way there and back, but it's really going to be a matter of time, because I can't afford to miss work, and I can afford to take my paid vacation. That's about it. So if I can squeeze my days off together,